Today, we're excited to introduce one of our featured content contributors, Charlotte. Welcome to the EverResi Media platform.
My name is Charlotte Blais, and I work for Blue Chip Maintenance. I'm an account manager there. I've been there with them for 9 years. I have 2 small children, boys, and I've been married for 10 years. I began my certification as a personal trainer 3 years ago.
So take us back to 3 years ago. What really motivated you to become a personal trainer?
So honestly, I would say that my fitness journey started back when I got married. Having children and getting back into shape after both of them was challenging.
What does M3 stand for?
M3 stands for, first of all, motivation. That's kind of this sets the stage. The movement's the second M. And then obviously what's going to allow you to fuel and be prepared to move is that meal prep.
What is some of the things that the audience can expect from you in the M3 section of the health and wellness landing page within EverResi Media?
We're going to talk about mindset, and it all starts there, getting started and what that looks like. Motivation is an emotion, so that does fluctuate, but instilling those small habits are going to allow you to keep performing those steps, right, to keep you on track.
What are some basic things between now and the launch of the health and wellness page, which is coming over the next couple weeks? What can I do right now to prepare for M3?
Well, I think what you need to start thinking about is, what are your whys? Like, what are you trying to achieve? What does that look like for you? And then figuring out what's doable tasks, right? Because I'm going to be listing things and giving you materials and some of them might be a yes for you and some of them might be a I don't think so.